issued at 2:32 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday evening through late Sunday night. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 4 inches possible. Isolated amounts of up to 6 inches. The areas affected include portions of north and central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from Saturday evening through late Sunday night. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation.